It was one of those situations where my father-in-law and he had gotten involved with a business partner into a body shop called Fabulous Finish Custom Paint and Auto Body. And I was freshly out of work because the shop that I had worked for, the custom shop, went out of business. I had a lot of customers that were still looking for work, but that business had failed. And so I took over about 1,100 square feet of his shop, and we called the business High Impact Motorsports. And it's grown from that small 1,100 square foot portion of a body shop into the shop you see here today.